Healthcare leaders continue to give out the vaccine as fast as possible, and tonight we're now learning just how many people have gotten it so far. News 6's Clay Lepard is here with details.
For months, we've shown you the new positive coronavirus cases. Now, here's numbers on the COVID dashboard worth celebrating. The Florida Department of Health now releasing daily vaccine numbers. More than 9,000 doses administered yesterday, adding to the total of more than 32,000 done so far. So how does it break down here in Central Florida? Orange County received one of the first batches in the state. It leads with more than 3,000 vaccinations, closely followed by Seminole. In other parts of our area, though, the wait continues. Flagler and Sumter, each with less than 24 vaccinated in those counties. Another week,
the interim recommendation passes.
And another vaccine approved by the FDA and recommended by the CDC. This time it's Moderna receiving approval for emergency use. Governor Ron DeSantis already announced Florida plans to receive 367,000 doses of the Moderna vaccine over the next several days, spread out among nearly 200 hospitals across the state who did not receive the Pfizer vaccine. News 6 went through that list and found more than 36 hospitals right here in Central Florida.
This is a real milestone to have a second vaccine.
Dr. Stephen Smith serves as the Chief Scientific Officer for Advent Health's Central Florida Division.
The Moderna vaccine does not need to be stored at the extremely low temperatures that the Pfizer vaccine requires, so freezer capacity is really less of an issue for Moderna.
As for who should receive which vaccine, at Advent Health, their Vaccine Scientific Review Committee plans on releasing recommendations sometime within the next week.
We spent a lot of time talking about those differences between these two vaccines. They're small and subtle, so to speak, but they may allow us to make some specific recommendations.
And again, at this point, the vaccine is being predominantly administered to frontline workers and those at long-term care facilities. It's still not clear when the vaccines will be publicly available.